We are at it again. The Flaming Knights Motorcycle Club and Lady Knights Social Club of Macon, along with Forrest B. Johnson and Associates, Duval Orthodontics, and several other sponsors, presents the Mighty Rocks 32nd Annual Community Easter Egg Hunt, Saturday, March 26th. Bring the kids out from 11 to 4 p.m. at Tatnall Square Park. We are about to do it real big for the kids. We'll have money eggs, bicycle giveaways, free food, live music, jumpers for the kids, and more. Bring your grills. It's a family affair. Saturday, March 26th at Tatnall Square Park from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more info or to volunteer, contact you 478-719-3968. We are at it again. Don't miss the Mighty Rocks 32nd Annual Community Easter Egg Hunt. 32 years and counting.
Continue to keep the dream alive.
Don't miss it.